Hello guys. In this video, I'll show you how a waffle cone is made and how our ice cream fills into it. First, all the waffle ingredients are mixed. Then a machine slowly poured the liquid over the pan. The pan cooks it like sandwiches. When it becomes cooked, a mold machine shapes it into an ice cream waffle cone. Now the waffle cone is ready to fill the ice cream. Now we will see how the waffle cone is filled with ice cream inside the factory. First, all the ingredients for the cream such as milk, sugar are mixed and boiled. When it is ready, the liquid cream is cooled by the refrigerator. Then an employee placed the waffle cone into the production line. Next, a machine sprinkles liquid chocolate over the ice cream cone. Then another machine fills the cream into the cone. The ice cream is then dipped over the chocolate cream and the nuts, respectively. Finally, the ice cream is ready to be transferred to the packaging line. Now after packing it, it will be sent to the ice cream shop. Waffle cup made using the same process. But in this case, the pan work as a molder. Therefore, to give it the shape of a cup, there is no need for an additional molder. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it. See you with another interesting video.